Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Recently, I was talking to my friend Eugene. He suggested to me that I should put together a list of all the items that is needed for somebody who start out to cook in a wok. His suggestions remind me about 3 years ago when my friend Jerry enrolled his daughter in one of my cooking classes as her graduation present from high school. Her name is Jasmine, and she really enjoyed the class. So she made a deal with Jerry, and she said that if you purchase all the equipment that I need for wok cooking, I will do most of the cooking during the summer before I start college. Jerry thought that was a great idea, because this would give Jasmine a chance to practice and learn how to cook in the wok before she started college. So Jerry came to me and asked me to put together a list of all the items that they need for cooking with a wok. So when Eugene suggested to me that I should do such a list, which he calls it a WOK KIT, I thought that it's a great idea. When I put this list together for Jasmine, I have several basic criteria. Simplicity, efficiency, and economy are primary considerations for this list. In the notes section below this video, I have included the links that you can purchase the equipment that I listed here online. First thing first, we need a wok. I recommend a Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok, and this is my everyday wok. The primary reason for my recommendation of this wok is because of its versatility. This wok has a large flat bottom surface area, which is almost 9 inches across. The large flat surface area allows you to double the wok as a small frying pan. It also provides greater stability, particularly if you're cooking on a flat surface, such as a flat glass top electric range. And for the 14-inch wok, this wok is probably the lightest wok currently available on the market. It is light enough that I can move it with one hand, even with food in the wok. The wok is well constructed. It is made with a single-ply stainless steel, but the bottom of the wok is multi-clapped, which means that there is a layer of aluminum clapped between two layers of stainless steel to provide better heat conduction. This is sufficient for stir-frying because most of the action during stir-frying takes place in the bottom of the wok. This type of construction makes the wok lighter as well as cheaper to produce. This wok is currently available on Amazon for around $36, which is an excellent price. This wok has all stainless steel constructions that includes the handles. It allows you to use the wok in the oven. For me, I actually use the wok to bake bread. Having a glass cover also enhances the versatility of this wok. With the cover on, you can use the wok for simmering and for steaming. The wok is ready to be seasoned. To create a non-stick cook surface, use my spot seasoning method. If food does stick to the bottom of the wok get burnt, you can clean it as you cook. Use my spot cleaning method. The second item on this wok list is the wok spatula. A good wok spatula makes a big difference in the stir-frying experience. My recommendation is a 16-inch wok spatula with all stainless steel construction. I recommend a 16-inch wok spatula over a 14-inch one because the extra 2-inch will keep your hands further away from the wok. It will keep you safe from the heat of the stove, and also the extra length gives more leverage during turning the ingredients in the wok. This wok spatula is constructed from a professional-grade stainless steel. It is extremely sturdy. You can pass this wok spatula from one generation to the next. It is very reasonably priced in comparison to other wok spatulas, making it an excellent deal. You can also purchase a matching ladles for about the same price if you have a need for one. I would like to thank my friend Eugene for introducing me to this stainless steel wok spatula, which is a tremendous plus over what I have before. These are the two essential items that you need to cook and stir fry in the wok. The remaining items on this list are pretty much optional. They make life a bit easier, but you can substitute them with whatever other items that you might already have. The first item is for cleaning the wok. I use a Palmyra brush to clean my wok. The bristles of a Palmyra brush is made from natural palm fibers. The bristles are strong and long-lasting. It makes them perfect for cleaning a wok. The brush is larger than most other brushes that normally people to use for cleaning their pots and pans. Because of their large size, they cover a greater surface area on the wok and so make the cleaning more efficient. This type of brush also frequently known as a deck brush because it used to scrub down a deck. The wok brush is usually sufficient to clean off most of the food debris on the surface of the wok. But in order to remove the stain on the wok, I will use a scrub sponge. You can take a look at this video on additional details of how I clean my stainless steel wok. For cleaning the stain, I use a Scotch-Brite heavy-duty scrub sponge. I have tried different brand of sponge, and this Scotch-Brite heavy-duty scrub sponge turned out to be the most effective way to remove any stain that remained on the surface of the stainless steel wok. After using them for a while, the scrub sponges will lose their effectiveness and you need to replace it with a new one. So I always buy them in a package of 6 or more because not only they are less expensive, and I also will always have some on hand. With these 4 items, you are all set to cook in your wok as well as to clean your wok. The next 2 items are something very nice to have. It will make your cooking more efficient as well as more versatile. The first is a pair of long-handle stainless steel tongs, and I recommend a tongs with a handle that is 16 inches in length. This will keep your hand a safe distance from the heat of the wok and the stove. I recommend a tong with stainless steel tips rather than those with Teflon tips. I find that the stainless steel tips provide better grasping, particularly with food items that are slippery. The recommendation that I have is a set of tongs, one 16-inch and one 14-inch, but you only need the 16-inch one. If you can find a pair of 16-inch tongs that is cheaper, then you should go for that. A pair of tongs is not essential for stir frying, but if you would like to manipulate individual items during the cooking process, then a pair of tongs is most useful. The final item on this list is what is known as a ground meat masher or a hamburger beef chopper. This tool is designed for cooking a dish when you need to break up ground meat, such as beef, turkey, or pork. Of course, you can use this tool to break up ground meat when you stir frying them in the wok. The reason I recommend this tool is to break up rice when you making fried rice. Fried rice is made from cooked rice after they have been stored in the refrigerator. They have a tendency to stick together and turn hot, and they are difficult to break up. This hamburger meat chopper is ideal for this task. So in summary, the 2 essential items that you need is the Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok and the stainless steel wok spatula. Once you have these 2 items, you are ready to cook right away. Next, the Palmyra wok brush as well as the Scotch-Brite heavy-duty scrub sponge will make cleaning more efficient and easier. The final 2 items, the stainless steel tongs as well as the hamburger meat chopper will make your cooking more versatile. These 6 items will complete the WOK kit under $100. Below the video in the notes section, I have provided a link that you can purchase these items online. This is what I use in my everyday cooking in the WOK, and I think you will find them more than adequate than what you need to cook most of the dishes. I post a video every day to help people to learn more about as well as to adopt my fast cooking system. FAST is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking to make home cooking as part of your daily routines. This not only will improve your overall well-being, but will also allow you to cook the food you love and enjoy. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.